What's up, guys? It's Q with another short video. I got a couple of things coming out today that sold on eBay, and the first thing here I'm sending out is a memory card for a PS1. I found this about 2 days ago, maybe three. I was looking for something in the attic and saw it in the box and figured I'm not going to use this anymore. So I listed it. And it sold within 2 days. I had it for $9.99 plus free shipping. The next thing here, I had a regular Nintendo Zapper gun. I got that out of a package deal of a whole bunch of other Nintendo stuff. And I ended up getting that for $37.06 at an online auction. And I pretty much separated everything, which totaled up to 5 listings. And I feel like I probably could have got more from it, but I wasn't able to test the games. I wasn't able to test the controllers neither. In this Zapper gun, I didn't test neither, but I put for $10.79. That was the trending price, so I just went with it. But I made sure I put it untested, which I feel it works, but I couldn't test it. So, but somebody bought it, $10.79 plus free shipping. So that will be going out today. All the other stuff I didn't make any videos of, but I think I have. I think I might have put some video. I don't know. I had to look because I'm not really used to doing these videos, and I'm trying to be consistent with it. But if you see the different listings that I had, but it ended up coming up pretty good with me, and I end up altogether out of all the listings, I end up profiting about $12 some change, which is it's pretty cool. But I still felt I could have got more if I would have had all this tested and made sure that no, I mean, if I would have had all this tested, and it would have been better for me, pretty much. But I'm gonna probably try to let y'all see the other listings that I have for the Nintendo things. Right now, I'm currently I'm on an online auction again, and this one time they have way more Nintendo stuff, like GameCube, Game Boy, regular Nintendo, Super Nintendo. It's just a bunch of games, accessories. I'm trying to get that, but I won't want to pay too much that I'm not going to get nothing back from it. But I'll keep you guys posted, and I'm trying to do this consistently. I'm not really a video person. I'm trying to, but hopefully as time goes and I post more and get more comfortable with this, and you guys will see the journey that I'm going through, and hopefully I can help some people out there too. So with all that said, it's Q, student for life, and I will see you guys next time.